Hello, so now we're going to go over a tutorial video on how to use the VIP website's resume uploading function. If we connect to vipdev.cis.fiu.edu, after we are verified and certified that we are a student, we can then click on the Student tab where we can see our profile, and subsequently our Upload Resume tool shows up. So here we can input our data fields, which under demographics we have visa status, cell phone, gender, place of birth, race, ethnicity, and it's a summary of the user. So we can input our fields here, and none of which are required. Most of them are self-explanatory, and we can input our education, and all the other fields. So we are limited to one work experience. We can put in a skill list, volunteer experience, interests, and when we're done, we'll put in 2 references, Dr. Mike, and an email, and then reference notes. After we have entered all our information and our 2 references, which again, none of them are required, we can click on our submit button here, and we can see that we received a message from the browser saying resume submitted. This tells us that our put request has been successfully sent to the server and a message has been returned. So if we go into the database and find my username, Tiago Moore, with the email tmor039@fiu.edu, you can see that all my resume fields are entered here. I preloaded this data before, and you can see that here are my reference notes from Masood Sajadi and another professor, my interest, and all my other fields are now populated. And these fields can now be accessed if by a common API. For instance, if we go to our profile page, we can see that the department, my major, and my skills were pulled from my resume that I uploaded. For instance, if we go back to my resume and I change my skill list to Call of Duty, and let's say Java, and then I submit my resume, then we can go back to our profile and see that our skills are now Call of Duty and Java. So our resume is uploading successfully. This concludes our tutorial of how to use the Upload Resume tool.